If you've been wondering how to access Claude Design, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact way to get to Claude Design, why you may not see it in the interface right away, and what you need in order to use it. This is a quick but important tutorial, especially if you're trying to use Claude for design-related workflows and you can't find a dedicated design section anywhere. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Claude in your browser and log into your account. Once you're inside the main Claude interface, you may notice something interesting. There is no separate design tab or dedicated design section listed in the menu. That can be confusing at first, but don't worry, because the access method is still very straightforward. What you need to do is go to the correct direct link. In your browser, change the URL to claude.com/design. You can type it here in manually, or if you're already on Claude, simply replace the current page path with /design at the end, then press enter to load the page. This will take you directly to the Claude Design area instead of relying on a visible button in the sidebar or dashboard. Now, here's the most important part. Claude Design requires a paid plan. So if you're using a free account, you may not be able to access this feature even if you have the correct link. If that happens, it's not a problem with the page or your browser. It simply means your account does not currently include access. In that case, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan before Claude Design becomes available. Once you're on the paid plan and you visit claude.com/design again, you should be able to open the design experience properly. From there, you can continue with whatever design-related task you want to complete inside Claude. So to recap, the main steps are simple. Open Claude, don't look for a dedicated design section in the interface, go directly to claude.com/design and make sure you're on a paid plan to unlock access. That's really all there is to it. If this video helped clear things up, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.